in the field today. 2003 Chevy Impala, passenger car. Finally get communication with this. Let's see, we got symptoms. Car start whenever he wants. We're gonna go to service. We're gonna go to it's gonna go to diagnostic control unit. I want to go on the body control, and let's go information. I'm gonna go for history first, and we are not communicating with the module. Big problems now. Let's see. Not communicating with the module. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna get no data here. Module 1. Let's see. No communication either. I see security there. Security data. Come on, give me something here. No communication. Okay. PIN number information. Let's see. Not communicating with the module. So this is our problem here. Body control module problem. Special function. All this thing will not work. Let's do an auto scan here to see what happened here. Put the switch on. Yes, I got the switch on. Sometimes I forget. It's a gray area. No communication, no communication, no communication with the powertrain. We got a dead bird here. No communication. Now, right now I get the arriving number. Press OK. It is information. No communication. Okay. Further diagnostic required in this car. We don't got no communication with the powertrain. And I get in the VIN number, so it's some kind of communication, but I cannot do nothing. Alright. So here, this is the situation. This is the situation here. I think I got something here. Before, none of this light come on. You see that turn signal light there? Always on. Let me see, battery, and then you see security, you see? I'm using my Power Pro here. Take the, you can see the battery voltage here is 1097. I'm gonna crank this car. Not on that one, on this one. I don't know if you can see it there. It's the small wire next to the big wire. I don't know if you can see it. So that means this car got a security issue and further diagnostic required, because if I try to crank it from here, this is the crank starter right here. You see? I got battery voltage here. Battery voltage because the switch is on. And this is a computer control. And this guy is supposed to crank my car here. Or is this one? Oh, it's this one. Alright. So I got no control on this wire here. It's block. So this guy gotta go to ground. Hey, trata de startearlo ahí, en el switch. Solamente mete la mano y trata de startearlo. No hace nada. Quítalo y ponlo. Nothing. All right, so this guy. Déjalo puesto. So this wiring going to the starter is good. So that means we cutting fuel here somehow. I cannot see data. If I can see that, and I see the injector going on 20, I know security issues are, and it say and data also. So we got a body control module problem here. I can do a bypass by the radio and see if we can program the key and manually program the key, but I get you back in this case to see what I do with this car. Alright guys, talk to you later. It's gonna be a part 2 for this guy.